Hi guys, this is Alex.
Hello everyone, I'm Sunny.
We are a specialized 3D printer consultant from MINGDA 3D. MINGDA 3D is a professional 3D printer manufacturer with 13 years experience. To provide a better experience for customers, our product has been upgraded continuously. Now we want to show you the large size industrial 3D printer with a printer size of 600 by 600 by 600 millimeters.
Yes, I hold the shape. It's very cool. Now let's have a look.
Okay, let's go. Guys, this is the MD600 Pro. You can see they are in testing now.
This is our MD 600 Pro. The shell of MD 600 Pro is all metal, and its construction is very stable. The size of machine is large. It's 500mm long, 930mm wide, and 1090mm high. This is our latest logo, MINGDA, which is very cool. We have 3 buttons, including power switch, LED light switch, and emergency stop button. And there are many ways to connect, including Type-C and SD card. We have a large 5-inch touching screen, and the menu is very clear, so you don't need to worry about pressing the wrong button, and it supports multiple languages.
So this is the MD600 Pro, and the printer size is 600 by 600 by 600 millimeters. Okay, this is the single nozzle. The standard size is 0.4 millimeter. Of course, you can also use 0.4 to 1 to 2 millimeter nozzle. It depends on your use. The MD600 Pro supports many materials and high and low temperature material, such as PLA, ABS, PETG, PETGF, and PETCF, and HTPAGF, HTPACF. Auto leveling is processing. And this is the modular structure. Its function is it can make the precision 4 to 5 times higher than the ordinary 3D printer. And the precision can be 0.01 millimeters. This PEI platform is easy to remove the model.
So, where machine can be used, what can it print?
Our MD600 Pro can be well used in the automotive industry, so you can see the sample very good. And also the commercial electronic industry. And also the new energy manufacturing. And also we can have many other industries, just like the shoe manufacturing and other industries. show you guys in the future. Let's wait and see. Kindly remember that we are a professional 3D printer manufacturer with 13 years experience. Welcome to visit our company.